Hey, what's going on, guys? Professor NFT here. So, before we get into this, remember this is not financial advice, and you should always, and I mean always, do your own research. All right, so let's get right into it. So, what NFTs am I looking at to mint? So, the first one is Bull Empire, and yes, it is out tomorrow. So, if you could tell, this project has the same artist as Monkey Kingdom. Let's go ahead and check the SOL price on Monkey Kingdom, and you see their floor price is 30 SOL. So this artist does have different projects, and most of them hit above 3 SOL. So let's go ahead and check their Twitter as well. That's that's the Japanese artist right there. So their Twitter has around 15.8k followers. Last night they just had 14k. So the hype's still going on. And also, I love how they bring these Japanese celebrities onto this, even though I don't know who they are. But let me go ahead and show you this. It's cool. So this actress or Japanese celebrity, I think, is Kana Momonoji. I hope I said it right. I don't know who they are, but you saw on her profile she has a good following. She had 858k followers. The hype is there for sure. Their Discord, let me go ahead and show you their Discord. Their Discord super crazy. The chat's always exploding and so many people are interacting with each other. So let's go ahead and check the whitelist here. So whitelist is somewhere, how to whitelist. All right, so the whitelist is gonna go for 0.59 SOL, and public is gonna go for 2 SOL for the mint price. There is only 2,500 randomly generated NFTs. So that's a low that's not much supply. So price will probably skyrocket in my opinion. This is most likely the next blue chip for sure. If you're not in it, go ahead and join the Discord group. Super bullish, like I said. If you get one of these, you'll be satisfied to get in. Okay, so the next NFT project I'm gonna mint on is Bitmon Adventures. Let's go ahead here. So this one's sort of risky just because I've seen many different NFT in the Ethereum blockchain do the same concept and not work out for them, but I believe in it. I'm still gonna try to mint one. And one thing I like was the roadmap, and also the community is really strong here. If we go under Twitter, let's go ahead and pop up under Twitter. You see they have around 3k followers, my bad, which ain't bad. So, and as well, what I really loved was the art. The art's actually incredible. I really like it. It does give you a Pokemon vibes, if you know what I mean. But what is Bitmon? So pretty much, let's go here under Discord. And what Bitmon is, it's a play-to-earn game made in a collaboration by Kidnos, Vibing Studios, and Mackie Studios, where you can play, breed, trade, and fight with decentralized monsters. So pretty much Pokemon. And let me read you this also from their Discord. Where is it at? It's right here. So Bitmon was conceived from the vision that anyone can create a video game based on it, since CCO rights of the Bitmons will be given so that any person, creator, artist, or developer can make the product from the art and mechanics of the video game. People will be able to request funding from the DAO, which will be controlled by the Bitmon trainers, which is us, to make art derivations from it. Examples can be an anime, web series, manga, video game, etc. So they pretty much want to be the first video game created by the people for the people, with the treasury that will help hire and reward new art products derived from it. So like I said, the community is strong here. I'm going to try to mint one, maybe even two, because I used to love the Pokemon games. So this kind of gives me nostalgic vibes. We'll see how it goes, but that's all for me today. I hope you guys have a great one. And also, I do want to mention the Discord group I have going on. No one's in it right now. So I'm kind of sort of still building it, but hopefully when I post this video, it'll all be done. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join this Discord. It's completely free. I made this Discord for anyone into NFTs, trying to flip them, share their knowledge on NFTs, anything. They could go ahead and join here. So you guys have a good one. Peace out.